If you're replacing a sway bar end link, a tie rod end, or even a ball joint, there are some innovations on some aftermarket products that can really save you some time. We're going to talk about them next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
It is the biggest no-no to use an impact wrench to put the nut on a ball joint, a tie rod end, or any ball and cup type socket. Why? Well, chances are the brand new one, it hasn't been lubricated yet. Or if it has, you're going to damage the internals because you're spinning this ball inside, and if there's a plastic cup inside, you could be damaging that. Also, it could redistribute the grease into areas where it's not needed. So, when you're installing this, you want to hold the shaft very still. A lot of OE joints, well, they have this little Allen head inside that is usually filled with rust, corrosion, and getting it off can be rather difficult. It's okay to use an impact to remove them, but when you're installing it, you don't want to use that same Allen head in there. A lot of aftermarket or replacement chassis parts now include wrench flats on the base of the ball. This way you can put a normal wrench and then use your impact without the fear of rotating the ball inside the socket and causing damage. Look for these innovations in your chassis parts, and they're going to save you a lot of time and protect the part. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.